Marcela, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you step by step how to do an elegant hairstyle. It is so easy to do and the result will be beautiful. Let's start.
Okay guys, first of all we're going to hold the hair into a high ponytail. And now we're gonna grab the ponytail and we're going to separate a piece of hair from here. We're going to hold the top section and keep the other side out of the way, holding it with bobby pins. In here we're going to grab the top section again, comb the hair, and now using an elastic band, we're going to hold the end of the ponytail. Perfect. In here we're going to roll the hair to the front. And in here we're going to pin the bun in place using bun pins or bobby pins. Next, with our hands, we're going to form the fan. When we are ready, we're going to hold the hair with bobby pins or bun pins on each side. We're going to hide the end of the hair and pin it in place. Perfect. Now we're going to take the small section. We're going to split it into 3 equal pieces. And we're going to start doing a regular braid, crossing the outside strands under the middle one. We're going to do 4 or 5 stitches of the braid, and then we're going to go back and we're going to pull the hair just a little bit to make the braid bigger just on one side. With this braid we're going to do a flower, so that's why we're going to pull just one of the sides. Keep doing the same thing with the remaining hair. Okay, in here we're going to hold the braid with an elastic. Now I'm going to hold the braid using a bobby pin to start doing the flower. Perfect. Now we're going to start rolling up the braid from the end in this way, and now we're going to pin it in place. The flower has to be just in the middle of the bun. You can use as many bobby pins as you need. We're going to hide the end of the hair and hold it with bobby pins. To finish, I'm going to use a little accessory just in the middle of the flower. Now spray the hair a little bit with hairspray and fix the flyaways.
Okay guys, this is all for today. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you on our next video. Bye!
Bye!